Neutral monism is a philosophical framework that has captured the imaginations of thinkers for over a century. It offers a unique perspective on the relationship between the mental and the physical realms, proposing that they are not distinct substances but rather two different ways of describing a single, underlying neutral reality. Before we dive in, if you find this content valuable, please hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below. It truly helps us grow. Now, let's get started. This idea has sparked intense debate and fascination among philosophers and scholars, with proponents and critics exploring its implications for our understanding of consciousness, reality, and the nature of existence. Historical roots and key figures. The roots of neutral monism can be traced back to the early 20th century, with significant contributions from prominent philosophers such as William James, Bertrand Russell, and Ernst Mach. James, in his influential work The Principles of Psychology, 1890, laid the groundwork for this theory by suggesting that consciousness and the physical world are two perspectives on a deeper, unified reality. He coined the term neutral monism to describe this perspective. Bertrand Russell, a towering figure in 20th century philosophy, also played a pivotal role in developing neutral monism. In his essay on the relations of sense data to physics, 1914, Russell argued for a neutral standpoint that transcends both the mental and the physical. He proposed that sense data, the immediate objects of perception, could serve as a neutral bridge between these two realms. Ernst Mach, an influential physicist and philosopher, contributed to the development of neutral monism through his ideas about sensations and their connection to the physical world. Mach's work on the nature of space, time, and the mind had a profound impact on subsequent discussions of neutral monism. Key tenets of neutral monism. Neutral monism is founded on several key tenets that challenge conventional views of the mind-body problem. 1. Neutral substance. At the core of neutral monism is the notion of a neutral substance, sometimes referred to as neutral stuff or neutral elements. This substance is posited as the fundamental reality that underlies both mental and physical phenomena. It is neither exclusively mental nor exclusively physical but serves as the common ground from which both realms emerge. 2. Psychophysical parallelism. Neutral monism asserts that there is a deep parallelism or correlation between mental and physical events. Mental events, such as thoughts and feelings, are said to correspond to certain configurations or patterns within the neutral substance, while physical events are also related to these patterns. This parallelism challenges the idea of dualism, which posits a strict separation between the mental and the physical. 3. Sense data. The concept of sense data plays a crucial role in neutral monism, particularly in the philosophy of Russell. Sense data are the immediate, private experiences that individuals have when perceiving the external world. According to Russell, these sense data can serve as a bridge between the mental and the physical, as they are neither purely mental nor purely physical but belong to the realm of the neutral. 4. Emergence. Neutral monism suggests that mental and physical phenomena emerge from the interactions and configurations of the neutral substance. This emergence is not reducible to either the mental or the physical but represents a higher-level organization of the neutral elements. 5. Holism. Neutral monism encourages a holistic perspective on reality. It rejects the reductionism inherent in dualism and materialism, emphasizing the interconnectedness of mental and physical aspects of existence. In this view, everything is interconnected through the neutral substance, highlighting the unity of the cosmos. Philosophical implications and debates. The concept of neutral monism has profound philosophical implications that have sparked extensive debate and reflection. 1. The mind-body problem. Neutral monism offers a novel solution to the age-old mind-body problem. Rather than positing the mind and body as fundamentally distinct substances, it suggests they are two perspectives on the same underlying reality. This challenges both dualism and materialism and raises questions about the nature of consciousness and its relationship to the physical world. 2. Epistemology and perception. Neutral monism's reliance on sense data raises questions about the nature of perception and knowledge. How do we access the neutral substance, and can we truly grasp its essence through our subjective experiences? This leads to inquiries into the limits of human understanding and the validity of our sensory perceptions. 3. Metaphysics and reality. The idea of a neutral substance challenges traditional metaphysical frameworks. It forces us to reconsider what constitutes ultimate reality and whether our conventional categories of mental and physical are adequate for understanding the universe's true nature. 4. Scientific implications. Neutral monism has the potential to influence scientific thought, particularly in fields like cognitive science and neuroscience. By suggesting a deep connection between mental and physical phenomena, it invites interdisciplinary exploration of consciousness and the mind. Critiques and challenges. Neutral monism, like any philosophical theory, is not without its critics and challenges. 1. Explanatory gap. Critics argue that neutral monism does not provide a satisfactory explanation for the relationship between the mental and the physical. The explanatory gap remains a significant hurdle, as it is unclear how the neutral substance gives rise to conscious experience and physical phenomena. 2. Empirical verification. Some philosophers contend that neutral monism lacks empirical support and may be seen as overly speculative. The theory's reliance on sense data, which are private and subjective experiences, makes it difficult to subject to empirical investigation. 3. Complexity. Neutral monism introduces a high degree of complexity into our understanding of reality. While it seeks to unify the mental and the physical, critics argue that this complexity may hinder our ability to make meaningful predictions or explanations about the world. 4. Reductionism. Some critics accuse neutral monism of implicitly endorsing a form of reductionism, despite its claims of holism. They argue that by positing a neutral substance as the basis of both realms, it reduces mental and physical phenomena to a more fundamental level, potentially oversimplifying the richness of conscious experience and physical reality. Neutral monism represents a captivating and unconventional approach to some of the most profound questions in philosophy. Its rejection of the traditional dualism between the mental and the physical and its proposal of a neutral substance as the foundation of reality challenge our preconceptions about the nature of consciousness, perception, and existence. While neutral monism faces significant critiques and unresolved questions, its enduring appeal lies in its capacity to inspire new perspectives on age-old problems. It encourages us to rethink the boundaries of our knowledge and explore the deep connections between our inner thoughts and the external world. Whether or not neutral monism ultimately provides a satisfying account of reality, it remains a thought-provoking and influential theory in the landscape of philosophical inquiry.